Hey guys, in this video, we're dealing with an all keys lost case for a 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. The client called us because they lost all their keys and the car is completely locked. We're standing in front of the vehicle with the doors locked, so the first step is to figure out what lock profile the car uses. After checking the Lishi compatibility chart or the Lishi website, we confirm that this vehicle uses the HU66 lock. Now that we know the lock type, we're going to use our HU66 Lishi tool. Before starting, make sure the lifters are set all the way back to their original position and the tension arm is open. Insert the Lishi tool fully into the keyway until it's all the way in. Once inserted, open the tension arm and apply light to medium pressure. Not too much. You'll need to keep that same pressure consistent throughout the entire picking process. Now, let's talk about the feel you'll get from each wafer or slider inside the lock. You'll feel three types of feedback. Springy. This means it's not ready to be picked. Skip it and move to the next one. Firm. It's binding, but not yet picked. Apply a little pressure and try again later. Picked. You'll hear or feel a slight click, and it will feel loose afterwards. Start from the first position and move through each one. If it feels springy, skip it. If it feels firm, try picking it gently. Once you hear a clear click, that means the wafer is picked. Go through each position one by one. For example, Position 1, picked, you hear a click. Position 2, springy, skip. Position 3, picked, click, and so on. Once all the wafers are picked correctly, the lock will turn and the car will unlock. It really is that simple, and just be patient, use light and steady tension, and trust the feedback you're feeling through the tool. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to unlock HU66 locks like this quickly and cleanly.